Good evening to Internet. This is Jeff with Consumed. I want to give a quick update on this knife. Did a review a couple days ago and still really like it, but my biggest complaint was the pommel and the glass break going into the palm of your hand when you're closing the knife. So I figured instead of complaining about it, why don't I do something about it? And Zach's stuff, his channel, he gave a quick review where we put these titanium backspacers on the knife from Rockscale Design. I'll link his video in the description below, and we'll see how this goes. So grab a favorite beverage that you like. I'm drinking some wine right now because I took the day off and it's Friday at 6:30, so why not? Hope everyone had a great day today. Took the day off because I'm gonna be gone traveling for the next month or two. I gotta go to Los Angeles next week for work, and then back home Chicago over the weekend. Then I'm going to Florida. Actually, then I'm going to Maryland, and then I'm going to Florida that following week, and then the week after that I'm in Washington DC, and then right after that I'm back in Florida, and then Maryland again, and then back home Chicago. So I'll be traveling for the next 4 to 6 weeks, which will be very interesting. Oh, and then I'm in North Carolina the week after that. But that one's for a bachelor party. That one's not for work. So that one should be fun. All of them should be fun, but obviously bachelor party is a little bit more enjoyable. Alright, let's see if I can take this guy off. I tried doing this video earlier, and the pivot popped off, and I spent a solid probably 40 minutes trying to finagle the 2 washers in there back in a spot, so I am not moving that guy. Actually, when I think about it, I'm just holding my hand on the pivot. I gotta take this off. I was not the happiest camper when that happened. It's also the first time I've really taken a knife apart. Other than the other time that I took it apart about 40 minutes ago and totally botched the entire thing. That was super embarrassing. For myself, I guess I didn't have to tell you guys that. You would have never known. But I like full transparency. Let's see if this guy comes off now. Is there one more? Why does it look like there's one more? Stuck on there really well. So, please don't come apart. So this is the pommel and glass break. Really nothing to it. It's plastic material. I thought there was more metal. I just realized I gotta take the spacer off too. It's number 6. Yep. I'm not going to need the spacer, so put it off to the side. Do a wine break real fast. So yeah, this is the inside of the blade. Not too much grease or anything, so that's good. or it was there, and when I was screwing around putting the pivot point back, I wiped off all the grease, one of the two. So I was toying with the idea of either going with this gray or the black, and I actually kind of like the gray because I think it matches the blade pretty well, so gives it some contrast, matching contrast. I mean, worst case scenario, I don't like it, I put the black in, so whatever. Where's this guy go? He goes here. Alright. So you can kind of see there is some playing here. This is for the original Bailout, the one that I talked about in my video with the FRN scales, similar to the Paramilitary 3. Obviously these are aluminum, Benchmade updated. So there's a little inset groove there that's not on this, but still fits just fine. So, and this is the flush mount because I didn't want any protrusions. So I think I just put this guy back on, right? Yeah. I'm probably being way too concerned about this pivot. I was just so annoyed when that came out. I thought, oh, no big deal. 40 minutes later, swearing. That probably wouldn't have been good if I was actually monetized. It would have gotten demonetized, but I have 2 subscribers. So no big deal. And I appreciate those 2 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. The whole point of this channel is to give you some entertainment and give you some reviews and there's some content to watch even when you're at work at lunch. I hope the music in the background's not too distracting. I just realized I should have inset that guy first. That's alright. Let's get him linked in. I think that caught. I'm an idiot for not putting the screw in first, but that's fine. I can see the space lines up there fine. There's this guy. Whenever I'm putting stuff together mechanically, I always try and take the exact same screws. I know it doesn't matter that much, but I try and take the exact same screws and put them back from where they came from. I just feel like that's the better thing to do. What do I have 3 left? Oh. God. It's one of those days. This video definitely is not as scripted as my last video, and that's okay. Oh, oh no. I appreciate you guys watching this video, even if you zoomed from beginning to end instead of watching me struggle putting this thing together. It was fun, and you got some background music too. This is Canals by Joachim Crowd. Where'd I have this guy before? Had him here. Yeah. This little wrench that I got, bought it from just hardware store for $10, and It was fantastic. It's a ratchet feature, which is really nice for $10. And it came with all these different sets, and then I hand wrote the T sizes because I didn't want to have to keep popping them out of the structure and popping them back in, trying to read the fine print that's engraved on here. So yeah, not bad. Micro adjustments and tiny T. So $10, I can't beat that. It's a solid deal. Turn this guy up. I have a feeling my blade's not gonna be totally centered. I'll fix that. But the reason you probably clicked was to see this guy in here. And I'll tell you, I already like the look. Whoop, I over tightened that. Hold on, I can't open them. Can't even test the whole reason I put this in here. There we go. Oh, it's still a little tight. It's okay. I can tell you right now, this is a world of difference. Oh my goodness. Huge difference. Huge. Really like that. I like the gray too. The black definitely would look nice, but I enjoy the gray. So that's pretty successful. Other than the earlier 40-minute conundrum, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Jeff with Consumed, brand new channel, but please subscribe, like if you like this video, and leave a comment below. Thanks. Have a great night.